This is Tim. Here's a little info about one of our crazy features you can use immediately. One of the main features of our platform is our marketplace. There is nothing else like it anywhere else on the net, and no one has access to these lead generators but members of My Big Commissions. The concept is that if you put a red-hot, good-looking lead generator on a compelling splash page and offer it for free to people who are super interested in the same topic as the lead generator, they will give you their contact information to get it. And now, you have an interested visitor you just gave something of great value to, and the entire lead generator is in essence a sales letter for you. You will log into the marketplace. Select the category of lead generator you wish to have. Then choose the lead generator you like best. Easily customize it with your picture, name, email, and links to things you wish to sell online. If you are a Platinum Pro level member with My Big Commissions, you also have our proprietary appointments for pay software that you can put a link to in your leads generator. Now you have your own lead generators and products, and they are customizable to you personally. And when you send people to your web page with your beautiful lead generator on it, you will see a very high conversion rate from cold visitors to interested warm leads that sign up to your autoresponder email list. And you can choose to sell it to others if you wish by selecting them, and then using your custom web page creator. You may put a Buy Me button on the page very easily by simply copying your Buy Me button embed code from PayPal, Stripe, or anyone you wish to use. Additionally, you may put a link in your lead gen that directs others to your My Big Commissions website. This is where it gets very, very interesting for you, because you have beautiful, compelling web pages giving away lead generators that are customized to you and are filled with any affiliate links you wish to put in them. And if you are a Platinum Pro member, may also insert your appointment for pay software link, and your My Big Commission system will sign people up automatically and offer them the wonderful opportunity you found when you landed on our website, probably using this same process. Our sales system works like nothing you have ever seen, and once in the sales cycle, your visitors will have automated options to make multiple purchases with you whenever they see an offer they wish to secure for themselves. And the commissions you can make with My Big Commission sales are extremely good for building up your weekly and monthly residual income. Check us out today. You can sign up for $10 with a free 7 days to try us out. This is insane value, and you'll be happy you signed up.